Hello students, good morning and how are you all? As you know that in the previous session we have studied about the making of global world. This is the first chapter of your history book and we will continue our study in this session. So first of all we will know that the reasons responsible for the Great Depression of 1929. So there were some reasons behind it. The first reason is agricultural overproduction. It means when there is a lot of production in the agricultural field more than requirement. Agriculture overproduction led to the falling prices. As prices fell, agricultural income declined. Farmers tried to expand their production and sell more in the market to earn more profit. So, because of it, production when the production level is high, then it gives the negative impact on the prices. All the time price falls down. And the second cause is withdrawal of US loans. Many countries financed their investment through loans from US, but US overseas lenders panicked at the first sign of trouble. US overseas loans had gone up to 1 billion but $1 billion, but it reduced to one quarter, and countries depending on US loans now faced an acute crisis. So these were the causes responsible for the Great Depression of 1929. Now we will discuss about the agricultural changes taken place in India. In West Punjab in India, the British Indian government built a network of irrigation canals to transform semi-desert wastes into fertile agricultural lands that could grow wheat and cotton for growth. So there were some changes in the agriculture sector, and there were some reforms for the more production which was done in agriculture sector. For, according to it, there was a good system of irrigation for the crops, and these were colonies where areas were irrigated by new canals and were settled by peasants from other parts of Punjab. So these were the changes which was done in the agriculture sector, and it was the beneficial for the economy. And now we will discuss about G77. G77, first of all I would like to tell you about it. The group of 77 at the United Nations in coalition of 135 developing countries. Most developing countries did not benefit from the fast growth the Western economics experienced the 1950s and 1960s. Therefore, they organized themselves into a group, the Group of 77 or G77, to demand a new international economic order. This is called NEO, NIEO. NEO means a system that would give the real control over their natural resources, fair prices for raw material, and better access for their manufactured goods in developed countries market. So in this content we have studied about the making of a global world, and we have discussed about the agricultural changes and during Great Depression time, and we have also discussed about agricultural changes taken place in India, and also you have been told why the changes have been done in agriculture sector. So dear students, you have to listen this content again and again to understand, and for your better understanding it is essential for you all.